Apriori algorithm. An algorithm behind you may also like. Introduction. A priori algorithm refers to the algorithm which is used to calculate the association rules between objects. It means how two or more objects are related to one another. A priori algorithm is also called frequent pattern mining. Generally, you operate the a priori algorithm on a database that consists of huge number of transactions. Let's understand the algorithm with an example. Suppose you go to the market and buy different products. You will find bread and butter bundled together. It shows that the shopkeeper makes it comfortable for the customers to buy these products in the same place. It helps the customers to buy their products with ease and increases the sales. Example. Let's understand the a priori algorithm with the help of an example. You have noticed that the pizza shop seller sells the pizza, soft drink, and breadsticks combo together. He also offers a discount to the customer to buy these combos. Do you ever think why does he do so? He thinks that customers who buy pizza also buy soft drinks and breadsticks. However, by making combos, he makes it easy for the customers at the same time increases his sales also. How does association rule learning work? Association rule learning works on the concept of if-else statement, such as if A, then B. Here the if element is called the antecedent and the B element is called the consequent. These type of relationships where we can find out some association or relation between two items is known as single cardinality. It is all about creating rules. If the number of items increases, then the cardinality also increases accordingly. Implementation. Here is a simple dataset of 20 instances. It states the number of items bought by different customers. Algorithm. Step 1. Computing support for individual elements. Here we are counting the frequency of individual elements. Step 2. Decide the support threshold. We will set the threshold as 7. We ignore flour and butter. Since we know the support for individual elements, we will use a factor to filter out products. Support. Support is given by the formula number of given transaction by total number of transactions. Step 3. Selecting non-frequent item sets. We need to consider item sets keeping threshold in mind. Item sets containing flour and butter are ignored. Step 4. Finding support for frequent item sets. Here is a support of items of frequent item sets. Since the threshold is already decided as 7, we only accept wine and cheese, beer and potato chips. Step 5. Repeat step 4 for larger data sets. Since the threshold is not met, we consider the previous data sets. As a result, the frequent pairs wine, cheese and beer and potato chips are considered. Step 6. Generate association rule and compute confidence. If you buy product A, then you're likely to buy product B. The confidence is given by the formula support of A union B by support of A. Step 7. Compute lift. Lift rule is a performance matrix that indicates the strength of association between the products. Pros of a priori algorithm. It is used to calculate large item sets. It is simple to understand and apply. Cons. A priori algorithm is an expensive method to find support since the calculation has to pass through the whole database. Sometimes you need a huge number of candidate rules, so it becomes computationally more expensive. Applications of association rule learning. Market basket analysis. As discussed previously, it is one of the popular examples and applications of association rule mining. This technique is commonly used by big retailers to determine the association between items. Medical diagnosis. With the help of association rule, patients can be cured easily, as it helps in identifying the probability of illness for the particular disease. Protein sequence. The association rules helps in determining the synthesis of artificial proteins. It is also used in catalog design and loss leader analysis and many other applications.